Hi, my name is Kim Caves. In almost 20 years of selling multi-million-dollar deals to domestic, North American, and global clients, I learned you need to do 10 things very well. Number one, the amount you listen will be equal to the amount you uncover about your customer's deepest pain, the one you can map your solution to. Number two, knowing how to be empathetic gets you to the heart and soul of all people you deal with. Empathy does not equal sympathy. It means you truly understand how to see things through their lens. Number three, be uncanny in researching your prospects before you even step into their door. This work is a competitive advantage. Few of your competitors will take the time. 4, build meaningful relationships with many people in your prospect's organization, especially where there may be some dislike on both sides. Number 5, know there are more than 5, sometimes up to 15 decision makers in a large company prospect. If you have not talked to more than 4 people who have a role in the decision, you will not win the business. 6, be tech savvy. E-commerce strategies are table stakes, but more importantly, have a video communication strategy for every engagement. Number 7, be honest, transparent, and reliable. Breaking these basic principles will lead to lost business. 8, always have a map to know where you are going. No plan means no predictable outcomes for anything in your business. Number 9, know the value of ecosystem partners, both informally and formal. That will help you win business every time. And number 10, if you've done everything you possibly can, do one more thing. Seek, learn, and explore every unturned rock. I learned these lessons the hard way, and now you don't have to. We conduct workshops on all of these subjects to help people become better and more effective people in complex environments. My workshops aren't drive-bys or bedtime stories. I leave all participants with tools and checklists, things that can be implemented and operationalized to become your living sales playbook. If you're interested in what I've said and you want to find out more, please reach out to me at hello@kimcaves.com. I look forward to hearing from you.